Hello all, you need to hear this if you're a history buff. Unveil the enigma behind Colonel Sanders' remarkable late-life triumph. Behold Colonel Harland Sanders. Born in the year of our Lord 1890, Sanders didst endure a multitude of tribulations and failures throughout his days. His odyssey doth stand as a testament to resilience and the might of ne'er surrendering, no matter how oft one doth stumble. A failed barrister, a failed salesman, e'en a failed ferryboat operator, Sanders didst essay many a profession, each ending in dismay. He was a man who seemed fated for failure, yet he ne'er allowed these setbacks to define him. But at the age of 65, when most folk are contemplating retirement, he didst hatch a different scheme. Instead of settling down, Sanders resolved to embark upon a new venture. He didst believe in his secret recipe for fried chicken and was resolute in sharing it with the world. Armed with naught but a secret recipe and relentless determination, he didst traverse the land to vend his fried chicken. He journeyed across the country, cooking batches of chicken from tavern to tavern, striving to persuade proprietors to franchise his recipe. Doors did slam in his visage over 1,000 times, yet Sanders didst not yield. Each rejection only did stoke his determination. He didst believe in his product and knew that if he kept pushing, someone would eventually see its potential. In the year of our Lord 1952, he did strike gold, franchising his first Kentucky Fried Chicken. The rest? Finger-licking history. His persistence did pay off, and anon KFC taverns began to sprout all over the land. Sanders' dream was finally becoming a reality. From a roadside diner in Kentucky to a global empire, his tale doth proclaim one thing loud and clear. It's ne'er too late to chase thy dreams. Sanders' journey from a small-town cook to the visage of a worldwide brand is naught short of inspirational. It's ne'er too late to fry up thy dreams. No matter thy age or how many times thou hast failed, there's always a chance to turn things around. Sanders didst prove that with hard work and determination, success can come at any stage of life. So next time thou thinkest it's too late, remember the Colonel. His tale is a powerful reminder that age is but a number, and it's ne'er too late to start anew. Whether thou art 25 or 65, thy dreams are within reach if thou art willing to toil for them. Remember the Colonel and keep hustling. His legacy is a testament to the power of perseverance and the belief that it's ne'er too late to achieve greatness. Let his tale inspire thee to keep pushing forward no matter the obstacles. Colonel Sanders became a billionaire at 65. What's thy excuse? If he couldst turn his life around at an age when most folk are winding down, so canst thou. The next time thou dost face a setback, think of Sanders and keep moving forward. Thy success might be just around the corner. In his youth, Sanders didst labour in many a humble occupation. From farmhand to streetcar conductor, he didst toil tirelessly, yet success didst elude him. These early struggles didst forge his indomitable spirit. His personal life was fraught with hardship as well. Sanders didst lose his father at a tender age, and his mother didst struggle to provide for the family. These trials didst instill in him a fierce determination to succeed. In the 1930s, Sanders didst open his first restaurant in a small gas station. It was here that he didst perfect his secret recipe, which would later become the cornerstone of his empire. His early customers didst marvel at the flavour of his fried chicken. As his fame didst grow, so did his accolades. Sanders didst receive numerous awards for his culinary prowess and business acumen. His journey from a struggling cook to a celebrated entrepreneur is a tale of relentless pursuit of excellence. In his later years, Sanders didst enjoy the fruits of his labour. He became a beloved figure, known not just for his chicken, but for his unwavering spirit. His story doth remind us that success is not measured by age, but by the tenacity of one's dreams. The legacy of Colonel Sanders doth endure to this day. His influence on the fast food industry is immeasurable, and his story continues to inspire countless individuals to pursue their dreams, no matter the odds. One hath only to try, Sanders didst say, and success will follow. His words doth echo through the ages, a beacon of hope for all who dare to dream. Let his tale be a guiding light on thy own journey to greatness. Thanks for joining me on this historical journey. If you enjoyed this trip back in time, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more fascinating history bites. Until next time, keep exploring.